First, click on the Windows search icon. Type in Services. Open the Services app from the search results. Scroll down and find Optimized Drive, which is also called Disk Defragmenter on some systems. Right-click on it and then select Properties. Under Startup Type, set to Automatic. Click on Apply. Then you click OK. Now right-click on Optimized Drives again and then choose Start to launch the service. Enabling this service ensures your drive are regularly optimized, which can lead to faster file access and improved disk performance. For the second step, click on the Windows search icon again. Type 10 Windows features on or off. Click the result to open the Windows features window. Now look for Remote Differential Compression API support. Uncheck the box next to it. Click on OK and allow Windows to make the changes. This feature is rarely used on home PCs and can slow down file syncing and transfers in the background. For the last fix, click on the Windows search icon again. Type in Windows PowerShell. Run it as an administrator. Copy and paste this command into the PowerShell window. After pasting the command, press enter on your keyboard and wait for confirmation message. Disabling TCP auto-tuning can reduce lag and network latency, especially in older and slower connections. Finally, restart your PC after completing these tweaks to apply all the changes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with a friend who is always complaining their PC is slow, and then subscribe for more powerful optimization tutorials. See you in the next one.